Ta slika mi je bila zato všeč, ker je zajec in ker imam zajce zelo rada.
I really like this picture because it's macro photography and because it's on my best friend Robert.
Ta slika mi je bila všeč, ker je velika narava, trava, gore in nebo. Ta slika mi je bila všeč, zato ker je bila tema, pa avgust, pa so zgodaj še krompir. Ta slika mi je všeč, zato ker je bila moja prijateljica, pa ker smo imeli to za nalogo. I like this picture because I like animals. I like this picture because it's fire and in the sky is beautiful, it's conflict and it's rest. I like my picture because it's this winter and it's not a picture.
We had to take golden ratio, so I take a picture of flowers because I like flowers, and I chose this photo because it's clear in front and in the back is very blurry.
Ta slika mi je bila všeč, zato ker sem držal žogo, ampak je na resnici nisem. Ampak sem dal roko v fotoaparat, žoga pa je bila na tleh.
I like this picture because I like flowers and I think it's nice. Je ta slika zato všeč, ker je
I chose this one as my favorite picture because first of all it's macro, which is my favorite photographic style, and I like it because it's from the bottom, so you can see all the stems and little seeds, and then the back is blurry with a nice clear sky.
We have 3 certificates for some excellent photography. All the children did really well practicing the new techniques. We have 3 in particular that we chose as tutors. And the first certificate for best photography goes to Eva. Okay, we have one next. Where's that? And one more best photography goes to Jacques.